Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get your Binance API key. All right, so some prerequisites, just make sure that you have enabled two-factor authentication on your Binance account. The second one, you have completed your KYC or identity verification. And the third one is just make sure that you have made a deposit of any amount to your spot wallet, okay? So if you have all three checked, well, let's move forward. In here, just go ahead and go to Binance.com. Now click on your profile right here at the very top. Wait for it to load. Now in the left panel, we have accounts. Click on it. And here we have API management. So just click on it. Now go ahead and click on I agree. Now to the top right, click on create API. Now go ahead and choose whether you'd like to use a system-generated API key or self-generated. I'm just going to go ahead and use system-generated. And this one right here works with HMAC asymmetry encryption. And the second one, or self-generated, works using ED25519 or asymmetric encryption. Okay, so I'm just going to hit on next right here. Now give it a name or label. Say, for example, my crypto app. Okay, now I'm going to hit on next. Now it needs you to verify, okay? You need to complete all the following verifications to continue. First one is for passkey, and the second one is a facial verification. And once you're done verifying, your API key and secret key will be displayed, okay? Just make sure that you have a copy of those keys, as there will be some sort of restrictions for your APIs, okay? There will be some APIs that you can edit the permission to just enable reading or restrict it. Okay, it's up to you. You'll have that setting afterwards. But that's just basically it. That is how you get your Binance API key. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.